Welcome to CAD with Mr. Hugh. In today's video, we're looking at how to draw an ellipse given the eccentricity. In the previous video, we set out our layers and we started to draw the focus, the axis, and the directrix. So in today's video, we'll be continuing the ellipse. Thanks for joining us, and we'll be starting the video. That's the turning point. All right, now the first radius that we'll be drawing is radius 10. All right. Now, so the first radius is radius 10. So that means the this distance, this parallel distance from the directrix would be the inverse of 3 upon 4, which is the eccentricity. Eccentricity. We're going to multiply 10 by 4 divided by 3. All right, so 4 divided by 3. So let us draw the R. So we're going to go start. The start would be at we need to turn on object snap. Yes, there it is. And the radius that we want is 10. Enter. And here it is. All right, so we have our radius 10. We're going to do the same thing below, okay? So we're going to go arc, center, start, end. So the center would be here. The radius here would be 10. Enter. Now we can mark the R. Here's the R. All right. So so 10 times 4 divided by 3 is 13.33. So we need a line which is 13.33 to the right of the directrix. So we're going to go change the layer to the construction layer. We're going to go line. I'm going to choose here. I'm going to come over 13.33. I'm going to turn on ortho. Enter. All right. So this is the point. All right. So if we turn on, we have ortho, gonna go straight up. Enter. All right. So we can actually extend this line, right? So we're gonna type extend. I'm gonna extend this line. Good. All right, so it intersected the radius 10 that we drew before. All right, the next one we're gonna do is radius 20. All right. So it would be 20 times 4 divided by 3. The radius would be, the distance away from the directrix would be 26.66. All right, let me put the radius on the arc so that you can follow. So we're gonna come here. We need to go to our dimensions layer. I'm gonna choose radius here. All right, we're gonna measure this distance. So we're gonna go linear distance. I'm gonna turn on our snap. I'm gonna go from here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna write 10 times 4 divided by 3. We're gonna change this to command x. All right. Okay, so this is, all right, what we're gonna do, we're gonna move the word directrix, and so we're gonna go move the word directrix, enter. I'm gonna come down. And what I'm gonna shift this on the outside, okay? 0.33. All right, so we need to come over, we need to draw a line, which is 26.66 to the right of the directrix. So it's 26.66. Press enter. And we're gonna go up, enter. And we're gonna draw this line down also, okay? All right. Now, the radius is 20. So we're gonna draw, I'm gonna put this on the construction here. All right, so we're gonna draw an arc radius 20 from the focus. So the radius will be 20. And there it is. We're gonna do the same thing below, all right? Let me zoom it up a little bit. All right, so we're gonna go arc, center, start, end. So the center will be at the focus. The radius is 20. And then we're coming here. We need to turn off. All right. All right, so we're coming back now. So we have the vertex and 2 points, 4 points, sorry. What we need to do, we need to calculate how far. So this measurement, we already have the 20, yes. We're gonna take carrot up a little bit so it's can be seen easily. All right, so this measurement is 20, okay? What we have to do is calculate the other vertex for the ellipse. All right, and this is how you calculate it. All right, let me move this down a bit. Right, this point here is called the directrix, and we denote it right here as the letter D. So we're gonna go to the text layer, single line text. I'm gonna come here, and we're gonna label this capital D for the directrix. All right, now we need to move it. It is too close to the directrix. So we go move. All right, right there. All right. All right, so what we need to do, we need to calculate FP. All right, so we can actually do the calculation right here. So we're gonna go multi-line text, and we're actually gonna do it right here. So we're gonna turn on snap and perpendicular, And we're going to carry the drawing up a little bit. And we're going to start it right here. All right. So we have F, P. P is the end of the other vertex, right? Is equal to, well, let me expand this a little bit. Is equal to the eccentricity, which is 3 upon 4, times dp, right? Which is also the same thing as fp. P, remember, P is a vertex on the right hand side, right? So fp is equal, all right, so fp is equal to the eccentricity, and then in bracket, it would be fp plus 20, which is the distance from the directrix to the focus, close bracket, right? So therefore, the put a comma, hence FP here. All right, so we now know that the vertex on the right hand side is 60 millimeters from F, which is here, right? So we can actually offset this line, draw a line there and offset it 60, or we can just measure this 60 millimeters. So let us measure it. So we go line from the focus, and we're going to come over 60, enter. All right, we're going to go up so we can see the point, all right? Enter. All right, so we're going to center the drawing. Right. All right, so the last radius that we drew was radius 20. So we need to label that, okay? So we're going to go dimension, and we're going to go arc. We're going to select this one. So we're going to turn off snap, and this is the radius of all right? All right, there's a 20. I'll put it a little bit below. All right, that is radius 20. We'll intersect this line. That will be the point. So we can just trim off the extra ray or we can move it. Let us move it. So we're gonna click on this one. I'm gonna move it. All right. Okay. So the next one is, okay, let us put the dimension on here so that we have come to the end of part 2 of 4 videos covering the topic ellipse. In the next video, which is part 3, we will continue and we hope to have you with us. So take care until we meet again. Bye. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.